In this demo, I'm going to be showing you how I use ViewCreator to be able to use the AI Clipping Agent to turn my long-form videos into short-form clips that are ready to be posted on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So just a few minutes ago, I was able to use the AI Clipping Agent and I uploaded a video and was able to produce these 5 clips. And I'll let you watch part of one of them, but here's what it looks like. Let's say that I want to create a image of an infographic of ViewCreator. So you can see here ViewCreator. I just went to the website, and the first thing that I want to do is I just want to create an infographic of the AI Clipping Agent. So this is like a short form video that we were able to create, and this is ready to go. So all I have to do is click publish, and it's going to redirect me over to the publishing page where I can select the ViewCreator channels and select YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram where I want to actually publish this content. And I'm going to click Create with AI. And what's really cool about this feature is I'm able to actually transcribe the video and create shared captions, my YouTube title, my YouTube description, all at once with this feature. And it takes the context of the video so it's able to create an intelligent keyword-filled description and caption with the hashtags that are going to draw more traction for my video. So this uses the best frontier model, Gemini 3 Pro, for caption generation. And there we go, captions generated from video transcript. So here are the captions, the titles, the tags. It even set the category automatically for me. And yep, it did everything correctly. So I'm going to now go down to the bottom here and click schedule, where I can actually set a scheduled time for this to go out. I want it to go out at 7 p.m. later this evening. So I'm going to click apply, and I'm going to click schedule, where I will be redirected to the publishing page, and you can see that this is now queued to be published later on this evening. So that's how you're able to create clips on ViewCreator and publish them and schedule them to multiple platforms all at the same time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the future.